For alkenes, we proceed normally, and the big difference is that the double bond is going to have a particular position in long chains. So we'll have to number it and then number it again to number where the double bond is. So we're going to select the longest chain. When there's a tie, then we select the one with the greater number double bonds. Number the chain beginning with the carbon closest to the double bonds, and then after we've done everything else, we use cis, trans, or the EZ nomenclature when applicable. So some basic ones: ethene is just 2, propene. Basically what we're doing is just taking the alkane name and replacing it with this ending "ene." And in situations where the double bond can be in multiple places, propene, it's going to be the same if it's the double bond's over here, and ethene, obviously, there's only one place it can go. But the longer chains, the carbon bond can be here, it could be here, or here, it would be the same, but here it could be in the center. So how do we distinguish those? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, so it's butyl. We use the last part ene to say that it's an alkene, and then we break it up in the center and number where the double bond begins. So this one is but1-ene. This one where the double bond is in the middle is but2-ene. So very similar, just naming them normally, but in the middle of the name we add this number to signify where that bond is. In the case where there is more than one double bond, assuming we have the same thing but 2 double bonds now, then it would be buta 1,3, naming the places where the double bonds are. 1, 2, 3. So 1,3, buta 1,3, diene. Di for 2, tri for 3, etc. And for naming substituent groups, we use things like propenyl, ethenyl, things like that. So we add the ene, and then the YL is still there. And of course, number when appropriate.